Turning our focus now back to the maintenance program. In this program, the judges' criteria included overall impact, turf health and cut, evidence of IPM best practices, along with plant health and vigor. Annual planting design was also considered. Entries were required to provide close-up photos of work to allow judges to accurately mark on edging and pruning. Let's reveal this year's exceptional maintenance projects.
The maintenance program. Awards of merit. Shades of Summer Landscaping and Maintenance. The Tick Residence. Wentworth Landscapes. The Flowing Vista. And the Maintenance Award of Excellence winners are Private Maintenance under 15,000 square feet. Shades of Summer Landscaping and Maintenance. The Oulette Residence. Private Maintenance, 1 acre or more. Rockscape, Lake Joseph Residence.
Invite our Maintenance Program Awards of Excellence winners to the stage. Shades of Summer Landscape and Rockscape. Congratulations.